Hey there, good morning. Welcome to Coffee with Connie. I'm Connie Fuchsa with Foot Title Group, where we protect your home ownership. So we've been talking a lot the last couple weeks about, actually the last 2 months, about different terms that you may see with respect to your closing on your new home. And one of those terms is HOA. And so a lot of people have this question like, I'm buying a house and they say that there's a HOA and I don't understand what an HOA does, what that is, what that means. And so that's what we want to talk about today, to explain to you what is an HOA and how does it affect you and what are these dues that I'm being told about. So an HOA is a homeowners association. So when you purchase a new home and it happens to be in a neighborhood that has some amenities, that's usually a telltale sign. So let's say, when I say amenities, maybe it has a pool, maybe it has a tennis court, maybe it has a community center. These are amenities that somebody has to pay for to keep up. You got to have somebody that takes care of all of these things. You need lifeguards, you need people to clean the pool, you need it to be winterized, you need the landscaping taken care of, the tennis courts need to be kept clean, the lights need to come on, you need to have insurance in case someone gets hurt. The community center has the ability to use it to have activities, things going on there. And so what happens is you have a neighborhood that has all these great amenities and somebody's got to be able to pay for all of these different features that go along with those amenities. And so when that development is originally created, the developer decides we're going to put these amenities in and then we're going to charge each homeowner a certain amount of money to maintain those amenities. And when you originally purchase a home and it's a brand new home in one of these neighborhoods, typically you have to pay what's called a capital contribution, which is a startup fee for that association. And that's to get the seed money going for that association. Then every month every month that you own that property, you're going to be charged a association fee. Now, different associations handle it differently. Usually in condos, they charge you monthly. Usually in housing neighborhoods, you're charged either semi-annually or annually. And then if you happen to be in a neighborhood that has townhomes, they usually have their own separate association because there's a lot more maintenance in the townhome neighborhood because you have to maintain the common area around the townhome. Because not everyone owns all of that property, so you have a lot more to maintain. Again, you have some costs that need to be paid. So when you purchase in that neighborhood, the homeowners association dues run with that property and have to be paid. If you don't pay those homeowners association dues, they can become a lien against your property that has to be paid. If it's not paid, then they can't foreclose if you have a mortgage against that property, but that lien continues to accrue interest, penalties, attorney's fees. And what will happen is when you go to sell that property, you're going to have a huge amount to pay off or you won't be able to sell that property. So it then becomes a lien like having a mortgage against the property or a home equity line, or if you didn't pay some other kind of bill that someone filed a lien against you. And the homeowners association lien files right up behind your mortgage. So it's very important that the association is paid. So what I'm telling you is when you purchase a property, in the contract, it'll talk about that association. But if you're driving through the neighborhood and you're trying to decide where to live, then you have these great amenities. Know that in order to take care of those amazing amenities, you have to pay someone to take care of those. Now, the homeowners association is run by a board of your peers. There are other people that own homes in that neighborhood. So if you don't like what decisions are being made about your association, you need to be involved in those meetings and those activities so that you can participate and have your opinion recognized. So hopefully that gave you guys a little bit of information. Not all neighborhoods have homeowners associations, and not all neighborhoods that have associations are active. So these are all things that you might want to know about before you actually purchase a piece of property, so you know exactly what you're purchasing and what your responsibilities are. So if I helped you with some good, valuable information, please click that share button. I have people tell me all the time, gosh, I watch your videos, but I'm not buying a home, so what you talk about right now doesn't apply to me. And that's all well and fine. I'm glad that you watched. Thank God that you do, because hopefully I'm giving you some really good information that will spur a thought or a conversation in your mind when you do go to purchase. But the other thing that you need to know is there's a lot of people that you know that may be purchasing and may need the information. So please click that share button. That would really help me and help your friends, because they may need some of the information that we're talking about. The other thing I want you to know is we are have a lot of this information that we talk about right on our website, www.foottitlegroup.com, and we send out emails once a month about information that's new on our website. And so we update new flyers. It has lots of good information, resources we're updating. So get in there and sign up for that email. We promise not to spam you, but you really have really good information on there about lots of things that will help you if you're thinking about buying or selling, or if you're a realtor or lender and you need some information or some links to some information for your customers. So thank you so much for sharing. Cecilia, good morning. Hey, Sherry, thank you for sharing too. Good morning. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. And those of you that aren't tuning in live but watch later, thank you so much for your time too. I really appreciate being able to talk to you guys and help you out. And if there's any questions I can answer, please reach out to me or any of our team members. All of them are listed on our website, or you can message me right through Facebook. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I look forward to talking to you again real soon. Thank you for tuning in to Coffee with Connie. I'm Connie Fuchsa with Foot Title Group, where we protect your home ownership. Make it a fantastic day, guys, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.